TikTok restores service following a federal ban and Trump's intervention. Apple hits pause on a faulty new AI news notification in iOS 18. Microsoft pushes new Outlook installations as Windows 11 adoption lags. Welcome to Hashtag Trending. I'm your host, Jim Love. Let's get into it. TikTok is back. The short-form video platform is restoring service in the U.S. after it shut down on Saturday due to a federal ban upheld by the Supreme Court. The Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary Controlled Applications Act targeted ByteDance-owned apps over national security concerns. The ban had removed TikTok from major app stores, leaving its 170 million U.S. users searching for alternatives. During the outage, apps like Xiangshu saw a surge in downloads, while Mark Cuban proposed a decentralized TikTok alternative, and Jeff Bezos' AI startup Perplexity even suggested a merger with TikTok to bypass legal restrictions. President-elect Donald Trump's intervention into the drama changed things slightly, brokered a temporary deal allowing TikTok to resume operations, while ownership and security measures are re-examined. However, the move sparked some potential conflict in Congress, with critics arguing it violates the new law. The controversy highlights the divisions within the Republican Party and raises broader questions about executive authority, data privacy, and the future of social media in the U.S. For now, TikTok is operational, but its future remains uncertain. Apple has hit pause on its AI-generated news notifications in iOS 18 after serious errors undermined trust in the feature. The notifications, part of Apple's Intelligence Suite, were designed to deliver concise news updates, but instead spread false information. One high-profile mistake reported by the BBC claimed a murder suspect had committed suicide, a story that was completely untrue. This and other incidents triggered public outcry and drew criticism from media organizations like the BBC for Apple's lack of testing. In response, Apple disabled the feature in the latest iOS beta and promised to relaunch after making improvements. The incident adds to Apple's struggles with consumer confidence in AI. For example, despite the advanced features of the iPhone 16, sales are lagging, with only 20% of iPhones sold last fall being the latest model. Apple's missteps emphasize the need for rigorous testing and transparency, especially in sensitive areas like news. And as Apple works to repair its reputation, this failure serves as a broader lesson about the challenges of AI integration. Microsoft will soon begin forcibly installing its new Outlook email client on all Windows 10 devices, citing the need to address security vulnerabilities. But users suspect a bigger motive, pushing them towards Windows 11. The move follows Microsoft's ongoing forced rollout of Windows 11 updates, targeting eligible systems running Home and Pro editions of Windows 11 22H2 and 23H2. However, Windows 11 adoption still remains slow, with just 400 million devices running the operating system compared to Windows 10's 1.4 billion. This upgrade push has left many users frustrated. There are about 400 million Windows 10 users who cannot upgrade due to hardware limitations, and there are hundreds of millions who are deliberately delaying. Windows 11's stricter requirements, including TPM 2.0 and newer processors, mean many older PCs are incompatible. Microsoft's extended security updates for Windows 10 offer a lifeline, but they come at a cost: $30 per device for consumers and tiered pricing for businesses, and these costs go up year after year. Critics argue that this monetizes aging hardware rather than addressing customer concerns. As deadlines loom, Microsoft's aggressive approach has many wondering if Outlook's forced upgrade is a precursor to a mandatory Windows 11 adoption. And that's our show for today. You can reach me at editorial@technewsday.ca, or if you're watching this on YouTube, leave us a like or a comment, and if you're considering, maybe subscribe. If you like the show, tell a friend. I'm your host, Jim Love. Have a marvelous Monday.